we are finally gonna go get some gas for the 240. It's been sitting in the garage for a couple days now. We are gonna go ahead and head to gas station, and then got some plans after that too. We're gonna go to my buddy Derek's house, and we are going to work on my front bumper. Why are all my cars out of gas? Up. I gotta see if I can fit the the front bumper in the hatch, because I don't really feel like putting it back on. We're just gonna have to. Whoa. Keeps dying. It's died twice. I'm not really sure what's going on. I mean, I put like 3 or 4 gallons of gas in there, so we'll see. Well, we made it, but yeah, the car died twice. Derek's gonna try to help me figure it out. So we basically just want to remake this bracket right here because it's pretty thin. Derek's got this piece of metal.
Yeah, we don't need to necessarily make this whole.
Oh, just on each side? Oh, yeah.
Each mount.
Hell yeah, brother. Try to bend them now. We're gonna take this, we're gonna replace that piece, and we're gonna bend it at a 90 right here, because this stuff's just a little thicker than what's on there, so hopefully it holds up. Perfect. All right, let's see if this works. You measured them out. Well, we gotta take this. Yeah, we gotta take this bracket off. All right, chill.
So, can do it like that.
Good?
No.
No? Couldn't get the Sharpie through it?
No.
By the way, I asked Derek what he thought about my car dying. He thinks that there's just probably air in the fuel lines from just being on empty, and I've tried to start it a bunch and ran the fuel pump a bunch, so I think it'll probably be fine. So we'll see after I drive it home. Got those 2 bolts in there. Just use the one hole that was already on the bumper. We could drill a second hole right here, throw another bolt through it to hold this down, but it seems pretty sturdy. Oh shit. Damn it.
Yeah, this side popped out again already. Yeah. Sitting pretty good on there, actually. It's not sagging like I thought it was going to.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, we'll get this side all stitched up here. Show you guys the finished product.
Let's close the hood. that's the best it's ever fit before.
Yeah, definitely.
Cheap,
Is
dude.
that one stuck too?
Hey guys, so today we're looking at Behrad's fucking ugly 240. It's got the MB battles on it. It's lowered on some stance coilovers. It's got the race equip harnesses. It's
Anyway,
a couple wall taps.
you're welcome for letting you borrow those wheels that I just got back. So I think I'm gonna try to hit this dent out a little bit more because I'm at Derek's house and he's got sledgehammers and 2x4s in my house. Got the dent out a little bit more. It's not perfect. I feel like I'd probably have to take the over fender off to get it out anymore. So we'll probably just leave it. All right, I think that's pretty much all we're gonna do for today. Got the bumper fitted on a lot better. Got the wheels back on, pushed that dent out. Got the car running, so I think that's enough for me. But yeah, stay tuned guys. We're gonna be doing more shit. I'm gonna be starting to prep this thing for paint. I want to get it painted within the next like month or so before that big event that we're gonna go to. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Say bye everybody.